Hey there! So let's dive into an intriguing problem some macOS users might encounter. Picture this. You're on an M1 Pro running macOS 14.2, and when you try to echo MACHTYPE in your ZSH shell, you get x86_64. Strange, right? Simultaneously, when you run unaimemp, it returns ARM64 ARM. The discrepancy leaves you scratching your head, wondering why your compile-time machine type is set to x86_64 on an ARM-based macOS. Quite the head-scratcher, isn't it? Now, let's explore the enlightening solution to this conundrum. The key lies in the essence of what MACHTYPE represents in the ZSH documentation. It is defined as the machine type, specifically the microprocessor class or machine model, as determined at compile time. In this case, Apple compiled ZSH on an Intel machine for both x64 and ARM64 architectures. Hence, the practical use of MACHTYPE turns out to be rather limited, and for accuracy in determining the architecture at runtime, opting for unaimem is the way to go. In summary, the mystery of MACHTYPE on ARM-based macOS is unraveled. While the compile-time machine type may show as x86_64, it's merely a result of how Apple compiled ZSH. For real-time architecture information, trust unaimem. And with that, we close our exploration of this intriguing macOS quirk. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Who knew machine types could be this fascinating, right?